Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Sparkle with Rish. Today I have 5 tips for you. Let me make one thing clear. I am not a teacher. I am also a learner, just a little ahead of you. And from my own experience, I want to share what really works in learning English. Tip 1. Use short sentences. Don't push yourself to speak long and heavy lines. Start with short, simple sentences. For example, instead of saying, I am feeling very tired because I studied a lot yesterday, just say, I am tired today. Simple, clear, and correct. Tip 2. Grammar made easy. Big grammar books can confuse anyone. But if you learn one small rule and apply it daily, it becomes easy. For example, remember the rule of adding ed for past tense. I play, I played. One small rule can help you make many sentences. Tip 3. Facts and stories help. When you connect new words with a fact or a story, they stay longer in your mind. For example, if you learn the word brave, connect it with a story of a soldier and even a movie hero. Next time you learn the word, you will recall the story, not just the word. Tip 4. Daily practice is the key. Even 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. For example, revise 3 sentences every morning. I'm ready, I'm busy, I'm hungry. Small practice like this will build your confidence quickly. Tip 5. Don't wait to be perfect. Use whatever English you know, even if you make mistakes. For example, instead of thinking, should I say it like this or that? Just say, I go market yesterday. It may not be perfect, but you are speaking. And next time, you will say, I went to the market yesterday. That is how learning happens. So these are the 5 things I wish I knew earlier. Short sentences, simple grammar, stories, daily practice, and not waiting for the perfection. Try them out and you will see your English improving step by step.